The county of Rancho Santa Fe is embroiled in a troubling case involving an emaciated horse that went missing from a property in the 7600 block of Artesian Road. The Department of Animal Services and the District Attorney's Office are currently investigating this incident, with officials stating that the horse was seen at the property in question. Animal Services officers were dispatched to the property in the evening to assess the condition of the horse and determine the circumstances surrounding its disappearance. The horse in question was described as being in a deplorable state, with officials stating that it appeared to be malnourished and underweight. The property owner had initially reported that the horse had been removed from the property, but the Animal Services officer suspected that the horse may have been euthanized rather than removed. A veterinarian who was responsible for the health of the animals on the property had planned to euthanize 2 elderly horses on Monday, but had to cancel the procedure due to lack of equipment. However, instead of following the agreed-upon plan, the veterinarian allegedly claimed that she had removed the horse and had an emergency. The veterinarian refused to provide documentation to prove that the horse had been euthanized, despite the agreement made to conduct the euthanasia in the presence of Animal Services officers. This lack of transparency and cooperation has raised suspicions among county officials. A summary of the event description: Monday, the veterinarian planned to euthanize 2 elderly horses but was unable to due to a lack of equipment. Tuesday night, an Animal Services officer was dispatched to the property to assess the condition of the emaciated horse. Wednesday, county officials stated that the horse had gone missing and were investigating the circumstances surrounding its disappearance. County officials are now requiring the property owner to provide proof that the horse received proper veterinary care or was humanely euthanized within 48 hours. If this documentation is not provided, criminal charges could be filed. The second horse remains at the property, and Animal Services is assessing its condition. The county is working with prosecutors to investigate the location and condition of the other horse. Key issues: animal welfare. The case highlights the importance of proper veterinary care and humane treatment of animals. Transparency and cooperation. The lack of transparency and cooperation from the veterinarian has raised suspicions among county officials. Legal consequences. The property owner and veterinarian could face legal consequences if they fail to provide proper documentation. The county is committed to ensuring the welfare of all animals in its jurisdiction. We will not hesitate to take action against anyone who fails to comply with the law and prioritize the welfare of animals. Expert opinion. The case of the disappearing horse has sparked a heated debate about animal welfare and the importance of proper veterinary care. Experts argue that it is the responsibility of property owners to ensure the health and well-being of their animals, and that veterinary care should be provided in a humane and compassionate manner. Definition of emaciated: a horse that is malnourished and underweight, often characterized by visible signs of muscle wasting, poor coat condition, and a visible rib cage. The county's Department of Animal Services and District Attorney's Office are working together to investigate the circumstances surrounding the disappearance of the horse. They are also assessing the condition of the second horse at the property and are working with prosecutors to ensure that justice is served. A marked improvement in the treatment and care of animals is expected in this case, with county officials vowing to take action against anyone who fails to comply with the law. The case serves as a reminder of the importance of proper veterinary care and humane treatment of animals, and the need for transparency and cooperation in animal welfare cases.